The next on the list is kube-c-tl expose. This command uses to expose the pod or deployment as a service. See, so far we created a pod or deployment that will run on its own. But if you want to share the same or expose to other services in the same clusters or same nodes, then you have to start creating a service. As a service, you have to create and start exposing that with the specified port. We'll see step by step how we can achieve that. Let's create it freshly, another one. I'm going to delete this one. Scalable. I need to give the full path. Yeah, now we don't have any. Still it's running. Okay, I mean that is still maintaining replica 1, so I need to make it 0. So here is another example. If you try to delete any of the pod, it will create another pod just to maintain that replicas to 1. You can see the deleted one is RH9P4 and the created one is this one. So replicas here I keep it 0. Now if I run the kube-c-tl command, there is no pods. So we'll create a fresh one to understand this expose command. It's got created. So one pod is running. Now we'll identify the IP address. For that we have to add -o wide. So we can make note of this. kube-c-tl expose deployment and the name of the web app. What is the port it needs to export, and then the type equal to cluster IP. So here the cluster IP, it will pick it from the cluster itself. So no need to replace with IP. And we got our service exposed. So this will create another service layer. So if you run kube-c-tl get services, you'll get the service. So currently the 10 with this IP with the port 80, our web service is also in running mode. This will allow the other apps to access this service. I hope that helps in basic understanding of how the expose will work.